Thank you, Lord, for all that I am. Every day that I live shows the touch of your hand. If today I have won, it was you who led me on. Your grace lifted me up, your mercy made me strong. In the hardest days, you carried me